Okay, tara simulan na natin ang unboxing nitong Adidas Alpha Bounce Plus Sustainable Bounce. At sa aking mga kaob-ob, humingi ako ng pasensya kung natagalan yung aking pagpo-post. At ito na nga, simulan natin ang unboxing nito. Tara, buksan na natin.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I
Okay, teka lang at i-adjust ko muna yung camera. So, bale, ito pala yung top view niya. At talaga namang sobrang ganda nitong Adidas Alpha Bounce Plus Sustainable Bounce. At sa tingin ko sa sobrang kapal ng kanyang outsole sobrang lambot siguro nito pagka sinuot to. So, bale, nabili ko pala ito online sa Shopee sa halagang 1,800 lang. Pero ang original price na ito is nasa 4,500 yata, parang something ganon. Huwag kayong magtataka kung bakit sobrang mura. Kasi yung price nito is naka-sale plus may voucher pang binigay sila na minus doon sa sale price nila. Kaya umabot na lang siya ng 1,800. Kaya sobrang sulit at mura talaga yung pagkabili ko nito. Paalala po pala, ang video na ito ay hindi po sponsored ng Shopee at nitong Adidas. So okay, describe ko na itong sapatos, itong outsole niya, describe ko muna. Ito, medyo matigas to, ito, matigas. Tigas talaga. Ito yung pinaka-outsole niya. Pero gawa siya sa rubber, matigas siya. So ayun na nga pagka inikot mo to at titingnan dito sa loob, dito makikita yung kanyang tatak, yung parang dito makikita yung kung anong size yung sapatos, tsaka kung saan gawa. So bale, ang nakalagay dito is made siya in Indonesia. Tapos ito mesh, gawa sa mesh. Tapos ito yung parang nylon siya, parang nylon. Tapos kapag inikot mo siya, ito ay parang plastic siya. Itong kulay green to, parang plastic. Tapos ito, parang nylon din. Tapos yung kulay green pala, tsaka itong parang yellow-orange, hindi po siya, hindi siya reflectorize. So, hindi siya umiilaw pagka madilim. Kaya habang may oras pa kayo, bumili na kayo ng sapatos simula nitong January 1 hanggang January 5 na lang yung sale sa Shopee. At ganoon din ata sa Lazada, simula January 1 hanggang January 5 na lang. Paalala lang po ulit, ang video na ito ay hindi po sponsored ng Shopee o Lazada or ng Adidas. So bale, ito po yung kanyang sintas. Makapal po siya, hindi siya flat. Okay, next, pakita ko lang po muna sa inyo ng top view. And then after nito ay pakita ko sa inyo pag nakasuot naman sa paa. So ito na nga guys, no, nakita nyo naman at sobrang ganda at sobrang angas talaga nito, lalo na pagka pinormahan mo na ng pantalon na skinny fit or slim fit na pantalon, or kahit na naka-short ka lang tapos ito yung sapatos mo, sobrang angas nun. Tsaka pagka nakasuot na pala siya sa paa, sobrang lambot talaga niya, ang sarap talaga suotin, para kang nagba-bounce-bounce. Sa sobrang lambot niya, para ka talagang nagba-bounce-bounce. At dun pala sa mga medyo mabibigat, maganda talaga tong sapatos na to, pang workout or kahit pang jogging, kasi makapal yung kanyang outsole. So bali hanggang dito na lang mga ka-op-op ang aking video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Maraming salamat.